Are you still paying for an expensive HeyGen AI subscription every month? Stop for a second, because there's something most users don't know. Have you noticed something strange? Every AI video platform promises unlimited creativity, but somehow your credits disappear after just a few videos. You start with a free trial, then come the subscriptions, then the extra rendering fees, then the credit top-ups. Before you realize it, you've spent hundreds of dollars just generating a handful of AI videos. And that's exactly why I started digging deeper. Because while everyone was using the normal HeyGen workflow, I discovered something interesting hidden inside the platform's advanced scene builder. Today, I'm going to show you a workflow that most users completely overlook. This isn't a hack. It's not a cracked tool. It's not a sketchy extension. And we're definitely not creating fake accounts or abusing free trials. Everything you'll see is built directly into the platform itself. But here's the surprising part. The workflow unlocks capabilities that many creators never even realize exist. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build long-form AI avatar videos more efficiently, how to access HeyGen's advanced scene builder, how to work with longer voiceovers, how to export and manage your generated assets. And one step in the middle completely changes how the entire workflow behaves. So don't skip ahead. Let's start from the beginning. Head over to HeyGen and sign in using your normal Google account. No VPNs, no special setup, no tricks. Now we're inside the HeyGen dashboard. As you can see, I currently have 0 credits left, so I can't create a new avatar right now. To create your own avatar, click on Avatar in the left menu, then select New Avatar. To get the best results, upload a high-quality photo of your face. Make sure the image is clear, well-lit, and shows your face directly facing the camera. This will help HeyGen create a more accurate and realistic virtual character. Here, you can choose from a variety of AI voices for your voiceover. Simply browse the available options and select the voice that best matches your content and style.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. A great voice clone should...
If you want a more personalized result, you can also use your own voice by uploading a recording or creating a custom voice. After a few moments, your custom avatar will appear inside your avatar library. Simple enough. But this is where most people take the wrong path. Most creators immediately click their avatar and jump straight into video generation. That launches the standard workflow. Instead, hover over your avatar. You'll notice several icons appear. One of those icons opens a completely different workspace that many users never explore. And this is where things get interesting. Click the play icon, then select Build Scene by Scene. The entire interface changes. And now, you're inside HeyGen's advanced editor. This is the part most tutorials completely skip. Inside the scene builder, you'll find an audio upload option. Drop in your narration file. It can be a short clip, or a much longer voiceover. In my example, I'm using nearly 1 minute of audio. Once uploaded, HeyGen automatically transcribes everything and prepares it inside the editor. Seeing your entire script appear is the moment you realize this workflow is very different from the standard editor. But we're not finished, because the next setting dramatically affects the final output. Look at the motion engine section. Most users never touch it. It's left on the default option. At this point, HeyGen may ask you to upgrade to the creator plan before continuing. But don't worry, there's a hidden trick that can help you get around this step. So make sure you watch carefully, because this small trick can save you both time and money. But changing this setting can completely alter the way your avatar behaves. Switch the motion engine and compare the results for yourself. Now from here, select Avatar 3. The difference becomes obvious once you start rendering scenes. And now we arrive at the most important stage. Instead of rushing through the interface, pay attention to the rendering controls. Render your scene and allow the platform to process the video. Depending on the length of your audio, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Once the render completes, you'll see a confirmation inside the workspace. And now your generated video is ready. But what happens next is something many advanced users still don't know. If you're comfortable using browser developer tools, you can inspect the generated video element and view the source media being loaded by the player. Now, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Once the Developer Tools panel opens, click the Element Selector icon in the top left corner. Next, hover over your video and click on it. This will automatically highlight the video's source code in the HTML panel, making it much easier to locate the original video source file. Now, expand the div section and look for the video source link. Double-click the source URL to select it, then copy the entire link. Next, open a new browser tab, paste the copied link into the address bar, and press enter. The video will open directly in your browser. From there, you can download the original full HD video without any visible watermark. Let's test it and see the result. Before we continue, comment below. How much have you spent on AI video tools this year? I'm genuinely curious. Some creators spend less than $20. Others spend thousands. And you don't need to know anything about code. I've simplified everything to the maximum so that anyone can do it without any problems. Now, if you haven't grasped how powerful this discovery is, think about it. Here's a quick reminder: if you haven't seen my video on the 3 best free AI video generators, make sure you watch it next. It shows you how to create professional AI videos without paying for costly monthly plans. The link is on screen right now, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.